The price of Bitcoin Cash BCH has increased by $8.48 over the past 24 hours. Despite the absence of weekly readings, the daily readings indicate that the rise will continue toward a new monthly high before Bitcoin Cash bounces back from the range low. When examining BCH's price action on a weekly basis, you can see that in January the price broke away from a long-standing downward resistance line that had been in place for 623 days. However, after this breakout, BCH struggled to maintain its upward momentum. The price didn't hit a new high for the year until June, when it hit 329. When looking at the weekly relative strength index RSI, there are contradictory messages regarding the use of bots to maximize profits. Traders use the relative strength index RSI to determine whether a market is overbought or oversold, which means there are too many buyers or too many sellers. This helps them decide whether to buy or sell assets. Typically, an RSI reading above 50 and a rising trend indicate bullish mode, whereas an RSI reading below 50 and a falling trend indicate bearish mode. Elliott wave theory is used by technical analysts to determine the direction of a trend by analyzing long-term price patterns that repeat and investor sentiment. Wave count indicates that the bottom is in for the BCH price, and a closer look at the daily timeframe indicates that the future is predominantly bullish. After BCH bounced off the 0.618 February retracement support level at 180 on August 17, the wave count indicates that BCH has begun its fifth and final wave wide of going up. If the count is accurate, the price of the coin will peak between $375 and $425. A horizontal support area and a decreasing 1.61 FIB expansion of wave 4 comprise the area. This count is supported by a break out of a descending parallel channel with 4 waves, so the most probable move in the future is an increase to between $375 and $425, which is an average increase of 100% from the current price. What is the expense of Bitcoin Cash? Which year? The year 2021 was a busy one for Bitcoin Cash, so to make the current BCH price forecast simpler to comprehend, we divided it into 2 sections. The short-term and long-term forecasts for BCH at the time this article was written were valued at $280,145,332 in the last 30 days. Bitcoin Cash has decreased by -3.66%. According to our short-term forecasts, the average price of Bitcoin Cash BCH in November 2023 will be $292.97, and the highest price that month could reach $313.48. Furthermore, according to our long-term forecasts, the average price of Bitcoin Cash BCH in March 2024 will be $174.10, and the highest price that month could reach $186.28. How much will Bitcoin Cash cost in the near future? From most costly to least expensive? $204.33 on September 16, 2023, the amount of $218.64, $207.30, $192.79, $221.81 pennies on September 17. 2023, September 18, 2023 US dollars, 213.27.198.3, 4.228.20, September 24, 2023, 230 US dollars and 75 cents, 214.59, 246.90, September 29, 2023, 245.22. 228 and 6 cents, 262.39 October 9, 2023, 273, 39 254, 25 292, 53 November 2023, 272.46.313.48, December 2023, 296,233, 275, 5316, 97. The price of Bitcoin Cash on September 16, 2023 should range between 193 cents and $218.64. Our investigation indicates that the average price of BCH should be approximately 204.33. The Bitcoin Cash price on September 17, 2023 should range between $192.79 and $221.81. The average price of Bitcoin currency, according to our research, should be approximately $207.30. On September 18, 2023, the price of Bitcoin Cash should range between $198.34 and $228.20. According to our investigation, the average cost of BCH should be approximately $213.27. The Bitcoin Cash price on September 19, 2023 should range between $200.92 and $231.17. Our research indicates that the average price of BCH should be approximately $216.05. According to our research, the price of Bitcoin Cash on September 24, 2023 should range between $214.59 and $246.90, with an average price of approximately $230.75. According to our research, the price of Bitcoin Cash on September 29, 2023 should be between $228.06 and $262.39. The average price of Bitcoin Cash should be approximately $245.22. The cost of a Bitcoin. Today marks 11 years since Block CEO Jack Dorsey made what seemed to be his first public comments about Bitcoin. At the time, Bitcoin was only worth $11, and he praised it. In 2012, when he went to the University of Michigan, he gave his support. At the time, the endorsement didn't get much attention outside of the Bitcoin talk group. Pete Rizzo, who works as a Bitcoin historian, found the recording of the visit today on X. Still, Dorsey's comments are important because of his public role in Bitcoin's history, which led to his current job as CEO of Block, a company that works to improve Bitcoin's use and technology. The company, which used to be called Square, has been a leader in payments for a long time, and its backing keeps Bitcoin in the mainstream. In 2012, Dorsey gave a speech at the University of Michigan where he talked honestly about his thoughts on new technologies and how interested he was in Bitcoin. At the time, Bitcoin was still a relatively unknown digital currency. On its few markets, it only traded for an average of $11 per unit. But in his talk, Dorsey called Bitcoin amazing and said he thought it could have a big effect on the worlds of business and technology. He said, "The Bitcoin trend is great. That needs to get back to normal, and Square will take any money that comes in. If it becomes popular and well-known around the world, Square will take it. In 2023, Bitcoin has gone above and beyond these hopes." Since Dorsey's first support, the price of the cryptocurrency has skyrocketed by an incredible 220,000%, from $25